Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our lesson number 12, number of SW 11. Number of SW 11 and our topic is exercise 13, page 151, question number 3, part 1 and 2. That means in next class part 2 will be held. Okay, look, at first you read the question number 3. The table on the right shows the population area and population density of 4 villages. Okay, you see, this is the village A, B, C, D. This is the population of, that means the people. This is okay. Now you see the A number question. You have to determine the population density. Okay, and B number question you have to determine the area of the village B. Similarly, in village B, in village C, you have to determine the population. Okay, and in village D, you have to determine the population density. Okay, this is the population density. You have to determine the population density. 1 number question, fill in the blanks A, B, C, D. That means this is. Okay. Now you have to know. I want to talk with you the basic discussion. At first you have to know what is the population density. What is the population density? Population density is the measurement of people, number of people live in an area. Understood? Population density. Population density is the measurement of people live in an area. Okay? But what is the formula of population density? We write this population density equal to population density equal to population by area. Okay, you have to memorize this formula. Similarly, population or area equal to what, right? Area equal to what? You see, area equal to population by population density. Population density. Similarly, population equal to, right? Population equal to area into population density. Population density. Okay, you have to memorize this formula. And using this formula, I will solve question number 1 and 2. Okay, I hope you understood. Now I will solve one number. Look, a number, there is density. You have to determine the population density. Look, question number 1A. Okay, A, you have to determine the population density. Okay, we know population density or density equal to what? Density equal to population divided by area. Okay, you see population is 1800 right here, 1800, and area, its area 15. Okay, now divide 15 by 15 ones are 15, 30, 15 twos are 30, 0, 0. That means we have got 120. Okay? That means population density is 120 people per square kilometer. Okay, right. 120. Okay? Now I will solve question number B. Question number B. You see B number. Area. You have to determine now area. Area equal to what? We know area equal to what? Population division density. Okay? That means population equal to what? Population equal to 2200. Right here 2200 division density. Here density is 110. Okay? Now you divide this. You divide 0, 0. Okay, that means we have got 20. Okay, that means area is 20 square kilometer. 20 square kilometer. Now write here B number for B village. Area is 20 square kilometer. Okay, I hope you understood. Similarly, you have to determine the population for village C. You look, you have to determine the population. So population equal to what? We know population equal to area into density. Area into density. Area here, area is what? You see for village C, area is 25. Right here 25, and density you see again its density is 60. Right here 60. Now multiply this. 25 into 60. You know the multiplication. 0, 0, 0. 5 6 are 30. Your hand is what number? 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3. That means 15. Now adding. That means we get 1500. 1500. Okay. So we can say that for village C, the population is 1500. 1500. Okay. Now for village D, you have to determine the population density. You see for village D, we have to determine the population density. Okay, that means D number. We know population density equal to what? Density equal to population divided by area. Okay, that means population equal to what? Here population equal to 2240. Right here 2240, and its area is 8. Right here 8. Okay, now divide 2240. 18 2s are 16. Now subtract 8 8s are 64. 0, 0. That means we have got 280 people per square kilometer. Okay, right here 280. Right, 280. Okay, 280 people per square kilometer. I hope you understood. Now I will go question number 2. You see question number 2, which village has the largest population? You see question number 2, which village has the largest population? Which village has the largest population? You see the figure. Which village the largest population? Here you see for village A 1800, for B 2200, C 1500 and D 2240. Okay, so we write that, you see which village, that means the village D has the largest population. Right here, the village D has the largest population. Village D has the largest population. Now question number 2, see which has the largest area? Which has the largest area? You see the figure, largest area 15, 20, 25, 8. Among the area, which one is the greatest? You see for village C, area is 25. Therefore you say the largest area is village C, right? The largest area, you see the largest area is village C. Okay, now 3. You see question number 3, the largest population density. Which one is the largest population density? You see among the figure, you see among the villages, which one has the largest population density? You see village A 120, village B 110, village C 60, but village D has 2280. But village D has 280 people per square kilometer, that means density. So you write the village D has, you write the village D has the largest population density. Okay dear student, after this next class I or another teacher will solve question number 3 and 4. Okay, now I will talk with you now our SW. Today our SW number 11, exercise 13, page 151, question number 3, 1 and 2. That means sub number 1 and 2. This is your SW. Okay, dear student, your assigned SW is very, very important for you, because on the submission of your SW copy you will get your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, I think you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home and about by your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again, inshallah.